Hello, Namaste, Sisrikal and Adab, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'm totally excited. Like I've been waiting to do this video from a really long time. It's from so many days. So I had also posted on my Instagram about what is that much awaited package I was waiting for, and I finally received. I think it took me almost 12 days to get that package in my hand, and so it's finally here. तो ये क्या है? ओके, आई विल डेफिनेटली टेल यू. सो ये है, ओके, लेट्स ओपन. मैंने ये ओपन कर लिया है, कोरियर से आया बाय द वे. ऐसा पैकेजिंग बॉक्स एंड ओके, सो ये है द डिन 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 डिन. ओके, ये है द 2025 का प्लानर. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम बाइंग अ फुल फ्लेज्ड प्लानर. सो ये है सिम्बा लाइफस्टाइल से, विच इज jointly owned by Aditya Naik and the YouTuber, the famous Mridul Sharma. So I have first time ordered this. Discount में मिला. I'll tell you the price and things. So but let's start. The first time opening मैंने open नहीं किया है. So ये है planner. So let's open. Okay, planner. Okay. So ये है planner. Excuse me. So हर साल शी हैज दिस थीम लाइक एवरी ईयर. तो इस टाइम का थीम है द प्लेलिस्ट, द म्यूजिकल है, एंड शी इज मेड इट वेरी हियर सिम्बा लाइफस्टाइल डेफिनेटली माई सेल्फ ग्रोथ प्लेलिस्ट. सो ओपन कर लेते हैं. ओके, इट हैज ऑल द थिंग्स. Okay, there is conceptualized by Mridul Aditya Naik. Special thanks to Aditya Naik, that is a sister, and there is a note, and it starts with a vision board. Vision board, I love it. You can draw, you can do anything you want. उसके बाद you have again top goals. यहाँ पे you have how do you treat people around you. एक न्यू ईयर का एक एजेंडा काइंड है यहाँ पे, लाइक आपके खुद के बारे में. And there are some goal ideas for 2025, like try meditation, practice journaling, or passions, core values. Like it's basically kind of giving you an ideas. और यहाँ पे आपका विश लिस्ट है, यहाँ पे रीडिंग लिस्ट है. रीडर लाइक मी डेफिनेटली नीड्स इट. फिर 25 things to do in 2025. Or look at this timeline, you can use this to jot down somebody's birthdays, priorities. I totally love it. And then is a period tracker. Then you have थोड़ा menstrual cycle के बारे में थोड़े facts है, very interesting. फिर breast cancer is on toll these days, so breast examination की medically terms है. फिर थोड़े notes है, and the best part, okay, ये भी है at a glance calendar. Every month has, like January है with the hand painted image. ये hand painted है. और here there is a Spotify का playlist. Like when you scan this on Spotify, आपको you get a song related to every month. So every month has a song, just a theme kind of. So the first month is blinding lights. उसके बाद हर एक goal planner है आपका. And you have also this is my favorite, where आप सब कुछ लिख सकते हो. And you also have a bullet, and what are you grateful for, your personal health fitness के बारे में सब कुछ यहाँ पे है. And the best part is your everyday, like there is a to-do list as well as few lines to jot down. So I'm doing that. And उसके बाद there is habit tracker, where you can track your habits. And a workout log, आपका workout भी आप kind of you can see. And a meal tracker, and monthly reflections, and few to-do list again, and notes. I totally love it. So उसके बाद you have February month with the Spotify Love You Zindagi, which is from the movie. So yes, so even the next you have same way. Every month you have same. So you have till the end a to-do list, and you have also a travel planner here, packing list if you are going somewhere, and 2025 ka your favorite, your reviewing of the whole year, month, year end May. Then you also have some worry jar, some doodling to do, some coloring over here. Just look, some doodling and coloring facts are there, and you have some stickers. Okay, so there is a pocket where you can put everything, and there is a sticker so about the music, boss baby, and traveling or about diet. So these pictures are there. Okay, then we have along with these stick on wall calendars. Isko up, you can stick it on your walls. January, February, you have so many, and also along with that you have something. Okay, here you have this. Okay, ये एक it's a mini like a diary kind of a thing जहाँ पे आप notebook जैसा है where you can write, which is pretty cute. And the best part is these affirmation का cards. I'll just show you affirmation cards. A pack of affirmation cards. ऐसे cards हैं इसके अंदर. Where you're like, first I'll read it. One, like, I'm thankful for the small moments of peace and calm throughout the day. तो ऐसे वाले हैं. So there are how many cards? I guess I think 25 हो सकते हैं. Yes. So yeah. So I'm totally excited for this. ये मतलब overall ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. Like you have everything in details. You know, the best planner. So I've not started using it because of course 2025 में I will start and definitely उसका review भी दूंगी. But if you are looking for such planner, please go to the website. I'll put the link of the website in the description. Simba Lifestyle. So you can just click, और अभी discounts भी है. So it's for 999 है. तो डिस्काउंट भी है और शिपिंग चार्जेस भी फ्री है. तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो एंड बाय, एंड बहुत ही अच्छी डिलीवरी है, कोरियर में आ जाता है आपका. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्रैक, दे हैव देयर वेबसाइट वेयर दे ट्रैक और they keep informing about it, intimating about it. So yes, I totally love it. So I hope this video was useful for and definitely how I'm using it, I will definitely do a video on that, and also maybe shorts and reels. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay connected, and peace out.